I'm Melissa, I'm the owner of Clark Street Coffee. We're a coffee roaster here in Melbourne and we've been roasting specialty coffee for about 10 years. The key thing about Clark Street is our focus on sustainability. So now we have 100% compostable packaging for our coffee, which is a real innovation in the industry, and also reducing plastic in the coffee supply chain. And that's really my passion and reason for doing what we do, as well as I love coffee. When we first signed up to one of the programs through Melbourne Innovation Centre, our goal really was to launch our new compostable capsules product online. Even in the first session, my mentor was so helpful and they'd already done some research. We moved quickly into a digital marketing strategy. So for me, that was exactly what I was looking for from the program. And they were able to offer straight away some advice on increasing sales, and that's had a real impact on our subscription sales for coffee. I think what it's given me is a sense of confidence about approaching the digital space, because I don't think I had that previously. The best thing about working with my mentor from the Melbourne Innovation Centre was the one-on-one expert conversations, and for me, working with someone who was really engaged in the process and that I was taking something away after each session that I could really use. I found it really valuable.